let us start part 3, chapter 1, Building with Bricks, NCERT Math Magic class. In this video, we will discuss a wall that will not fall at page number 5 and look through a brick, that is Jali, at page number 6 to 9. So let us start part 3 video, wall that will not fall. Okay, now see, Janib and Munia, they have made these walls. Okay. So this is Janib's wall, this is Munia wall. Janib says her wall will not fall easily and mustn't to do like this. What has Janib done? Janib has done, this is joint, had put a bricks over there. This is joint, put another bricks over there. This is joint, put another bricks over there. But in Munia wall, all the joints are here. So in this way, wall is not made by the mason. This is weak wall. This will fall from here. Okay. But this will not fall easily because joints are covered with the complete brick. So this is stronger wall. Jenny has made stronger wall than Munia. Okay. Now different wall patterns. Here are the picture of 3 kind of brick wall. Can you see the difference in the way bricks are placed? Look at this. There are 3 patterns. What are the difference? Let us say it is 1, this is 2, this is 3. In 1, bricks are in standing position. Okay. These are on standing positions. One with longer face, one with smaller face. So in this way, this is made. In this, you will see one longer face, one smaller face, one longer face, one smaller face. In pattern 3, you will see one layer is with the longer face only, another layer is with the smaller face only. So alternatingly, longer face, smaller face, longer face, smaller face, longer face, smaller face, and smaller face. Okay. In the longer and smaller is on alternatively. In this longer and smaller at the same layer, and in this bricks are so in standing position. So you can see there are 3 brick designs. We have made the drawing over the brick design. So which will match with the other? You can see here longer, smaller, longer, smaller. So this will like pattern 3. So this will go like this. Now this is in standing position. So this will pattern 1. So longer, smaller, longer, smaller in the same line. So this will go with this. So this is pattern number 2. Okay. Looking through a brick. Looking through a brick. Can we see through the brick? क्या हम brick के आर पार देख सकते हैं? No, we cannot see across the brick, but we have a thing to do that, to make jali. We make jali between the wall that can help us seeing outside and let the air come inside. Okay. So you can see this. This is picture of that Jagrati school. Now you can see here. This is jali. Okay. This is one form of jali. Okay. Here another form of jali. Here another form of jali. So you can see this is and this one type of jali, and let us see this picture in straight mode. Here you can see one pattern, 2 pattern, 3 patterns, and 1 pattern here. So in both pics we have 4 types of jali. Is there any other kind of part of jali? Yes, one more type of jali is there in the picture. You can see and write, tell me in comment box where is that 5th type of jali. Okay, there is one more type of jali and you have to comment where is that fifth type of jali in the picture, and I will give you a hint. This is fifth type of jali is in the picture number 2. Okay, this is drawing of another beautiful jali. Look at this. This is drawing of jali. Look at this. What is this kind of? So this is like this. This kind of jalis are made here. Okay, so we can have different types of jali. Look at the wall. You have to make different type of jali in this, and you have to color it with the red. Okay, so jali could be like this. This can be jali, or you can make more beautiful jalis. Okay, so just color with the red at certain differences. Okay, make one jali here, another here with the red color. Now, can you see the window? Window is here. This is called as Jarokha. So you have to make window out of here with black color. Okay. So this will, if we will color it with black, so it will some kind of window will be there. We can make different windows here with the black color. Okay. Now look at this. This is another form of jali. Is from a library building in Kerala. What is library? Library is a place where you will find number of books and you can sit there and read the books. So this pattern we have made here. Okay. Now look at this. This is triangle kind of thing. One brick is taken out of the wall and that is made with the triangles. Look at this. Here it is triangle. So this can be pattern, and this there can be a way to make different jalis. You can see here this is some kind of plus. This is straight lines. These are just one brick left. So there are different type of jali you can see here, and one jali can be the triangular shape. What is triangle? Triangle has three sides and three angles. All sides can be equal, unequal. Three angles can be equal, unequal. Okay. So now look at this. You must have seen this kind of pattern made near the plants. They have made this is like triangle, triangle. Okay. Triangle with the bricks. Now look at this. You will find window, 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 and this is bigger window. And here is also a window pattern. And this is arc design. Arc is there. Okay. So we have seen the arc design in the photo. If you have not seen the video number 1, you can see the video number 1. Link you will find in the description box and I button above, so that you can understand what is arc. Here, can you see the arc in the bridge? Yes. Here it is. Here is arc. Here it is. So where else have you seen the arc? You must have seen the arc in some bridges or somewhere else, in the window, in the some other design in wall. So write me in comment box where else you have seen the arc. Okay. Now look at this picture. What are the different designs you can see in the wall? These are the window made with the smaller brick. Okay, this is again wall pattern with the smaller bricks, and you can see longer face, smaller face, long. So you can see this. Now you can see this kind of arc design. What this arc design is called as Ghungat Wali Mehrab, the arc with the wheel. Okay, so you can see here arc, here you can see arc, here some kind of design is there, here another kind of design is there. So jali of this window, beautiful. It is made with the thin bricks. Thin bricks. Have you seen ever thin bricks? You must have seen thin bricks. If yes, write me in comment box. Yes, I have seen the thin bricks. Now here are the thin bricks. Okay. Jamal and Kalu, the mason of Jagrati school, said that their grandfather used many different kinds of bricks. Some of these are shown here. Okay. You can see here, here is arc design, arc face. Here is arc face. Okay. Here is some cut off designs are there. Here the normal bricks, what we see, here is a thin bricks, square type of bricks. Okay. Which of these bricks have curved edge? So this is and this. These two have curved edge. Okay. How many faces you can see? We can see only one face. One, two, three face. One, two, three face. One, two, three face. One, two face. One, two, three face. One, two face. One, two, three face. So we can see three face in many bricks. We can see two face in some bricks. Okay, how many faces do you see in longest bricks? So this can be the longest bricks, and we can see only one, two, and some part of here. So we can see three. How many faces in the bricks? We have six faces in the bricks. So how many bricks are showing here? Six face. No bricks can show here six face because one face is lying over the ground. So one face will always under cover. So we cannot see the six face, and no brick has more than six face. You can see these bricks may have more face like this, but in general we have six faces because bricks are of shape cuboid. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.